In Kivistö, domestic waste is collected by an automated waste collection system: bio, mixed, carton, paper, and plastic packaging waste. Waste sorting starts at home. Place a maximum of 20 liters of waste in a bag and tie the bag securely. Do not overfill the bag. A good rule of thumb is to leave 1/3 of the bag empty. Collect bio-waste in decomposable bags. Only put non-liquid waste into the bio-waste. Rinse out milk and juice cartons. Flatten the cartons and pack them inside each other. All empty and clean household plastic packaging goes into the collection point for plastics. Empty the packages and, if necessary, rinse them and allow them to dry. Remove all lids and pack the containers in a plastic bag and tie the bag shut. Do not nest together different types of plastic, as they are recycled in different ways. All other plastic goes into mixed waste. Recyclable paper should be loose when put into the collection point. Do not tie paper together to ensure that it does not clog the system. Use your personal electronic key to open a collection point hatch. The hatch will close automatically. Ensure that the waste passes easily through the hatch and falls freely into the storage space. If needed, tear the waste into smaller pieces. Do not place foreign objects, such as lung items, into the system. Drop the recyclable paper loose through the hatch, without a bag. Do not put your hand inside the hatch. Sorting waste correctly is important for the conservation of the environment and natural resources. Waste is transported through an underground pipeline network and is then collected at the waste transfer station. From there, the waste is transported to be used as raw material for new products. Waste which is not collected at the collection point, such as glass, metal, and large pieces of carton and other waste, is taken separately to the recycling rooms or specific collection points for them. Waste sorting instructions and topical information on the collection points are available online.